inches. This is the hidden journey of how 100 million recycled plastic bottles are transformed into high-performance automotive material. Every year, billions of plastic bottles are discarded across the planet. But inside this massive industrial network, waste is being transformed into something extraordinary. The journey begins with one of the largest waste collection systems ever engineered, capable of processing millions of discarded bottles every single day. To prepare the material for advanced engineering applications, the plastic must first be broken down into uniform industrial feedstock. Even microscopic contamination can compromise performance. Every fragment must be purified to near-virgin material standards.
Look at this spike in the molecular weight distribution. Yeah. It correlates with the temperature fluctuation in reactor 3. I'm adjusting the coolant flow now. It should stabilize.
Through advanced material science, ordinary recycled plastic is transformed into ultra-engineered composite polymers strong enough for extreme automotive environments. These tiny engineered pellets will become the raw foundation of next-generation engine components.
The recycled material is now engineered into lightweight, heat-resistant components, capable of performing inside modern high-performance engines.
To survive modern performance demands, every component must withstand intense heat, pressure, vibration, and continuous mechanical stress. What began as discarded waste is now powering the future of lightweight automotive engineering. Every recycled bottle represents more than waste recovered, proving that the future of manufacturing may already be hidden inside yesterday's trash.
Subscribe for more cinematic documentaries exploring the world's most advanced industries, engineering breakthroughs, and hidden manufacturing technologies.